Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
In the year 2023, the then Honorable Kenedy Agjapong, while on a live television, said that Anas was a blackmailer, he was corrupt, an extortionist, and evil. So this was where the whole issue of defamation started from. So Anas filed a lawsuit against Kenedy Agjapong at the Accra High Court, and in 2023, the case was dismissed from the Accra High Court on the basis that Anas could not prove his case of defamation against the Honorable Kenedy Agjapong. Anas and his lawyers saw that the court did not do justice to the case and took the case to a court in US, and after the blah 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 for a long time, the court in US ruled in favor of Anas and asked Kenedy Agjapong to pay $18 million, which is about 1.7 something trillion old Ghana cedis. I don't know if Kenedy Agjapong have that money to pay. Inshallah. I don't know, are the tables of the Chief Justice not supposed to be shaken by now? I mean, like, this shows that the court in Ghana is not trustworthy. The courts in Ghana, you can't go there and be sure that you come victorious. What's happening in this country? I mean, the Chief Justice, are her tables not supposed to be shaken by now? Why can't anybody just leave political issues aside and do the right thing in this country?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I stand before you not just as a journalist, but as a witness to history, a child of Ghana's turbulent past, and a soldier in the fight for truth. Yesterday, in the Essex County Superior Court of New Jersey, an 8-member jury delivered a unanimous verdict holding Kenedy Agjapong, former Ghanaian MP, liable for defamation and awarding damages of $18 million. The ruling is more than a legal victory. It is a profound affirmation that truth matters, that justice is not a privilege of the powerful, and that the arc of history does indeed bend towards righteousness. My story begins long before this moment. I was born at the 37 Military Barracks in Accra, the son of the soldier who served in an era where power belonged to those who wielded the gun. I grew up watching my nation transition from military rule to democracy, witnessing firsthand the struggle of ordinary Ghanaians yearning for justice, transparency, and accountability. When Ghana finally embraced democracy, I knew that safeguarding it required more than just laws. It needed the unyielding courage of those willing to hold power accountable. That is why I chose journalism, not as a career, but as a calling. Over the years, my team and I have exposed corruption at the highest levels, from the corridors of politics to the halls of justice. But in fighting the corrupt, one becomes a target. Mr. Agjapong, in a desperate bid to silence me, labeled me a land grabber, an extortionist, a murderer, a tax evader, and a blackmailer who ought to be hanged. These were not just lies. They were calculated attempts to destroy my credibility and put my life in danger. While Ghana's legal system failed to deliver justice in 2018, the US court upheld truth. This case was not easy. Proving defamation in the United States requires establishing actual malice by a clear and convincing evidence standard, one of the highest legal thresholds in the world. That the jury ruled 8-0 in my favor on every count is a testament to the fact that Mr. Agjapong acted with reckless disregard. Regrettably, Ghana's justice system has not always lived up to the principles of fairness and